Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to access the account and contact hierarchy view within the Accounts app of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Accounts application, he or she can select the required account to be viewed from the Accounts landing page. Once done, the Accounts Details view is displayed. The user can scroll down the screen in order to view the accounts and contact hierarchy charts. In this view, the user can find the hierarchical arrangement, that is, the parent-child account relation for the account. The user can click on the account name in order to redirect to the same. Similarly, the user can view the contacts hierarchy view and redirect to the contacts integrated within the account. The user, if needed, can also expand and view the chart that is displayed. That is how the accounts and contacts hierarchy view is operated within KEBS. Thanks for watching.